What is Uniform Civil Code? Uniform Civil Code places a set of laws to govern personal matters of all citizens, irrespective of religions, is perhaps the need of the hour and ensuring that their fundamental and constitutional rights are the protected. Now a question arises: what is Uniform Civil Code? It is the common set of governing rules for all citizens of India which refers to replace the personal laws based on the religious scriptures and customs. These laws are well known for public law and cover marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, and maintenance. In fact, Goa has a common family law, thus being the only Indian state to have a uniform civil code. And 1954 Social Special Marriage Act allows any citizens to marry outside the reclaim of any special religious personal law. Now let us see our past from where uniform laws are originated. The British government in 1840, on the basis of Lex Loci, reported had framed uniform laws for crimes, evidence, and contract, but personal laws of Hindus and Muslims are left by the somewhere intentionally. On the other hand, British India judiciary provided for the applications of Hindu, Muslim, and English law of British Dutch. Also, in those days, reforms were rising voice of frame laws related to women against the discrimination done by them, basically under religious customs like sati. Constituent Assembly was set up to frame our constituents in 1946 in the independent India, which consisted of both types of members: those who wanted to reform the society by adopting the Uniform Civil Code, like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other, was basically Muslims representative who perpetuate personal laws. Also, the proponents of Uniform Civil Code were opposed by the minority communities in the Constituent Assembly. As a result, only one line is added in the Constituent under Article 44 in Part 14 of DSPS, Directive Personal Principles of State Policy.